Hi everyone, I'm Steve Clark, Director of Customer Success at OwnerRez. And I'm excited to give you a first look at our new booking overview page. This is a page many of you use every single day, and it hasn't changed much over the years. Since it's such a core screen, we wanted to show it to you before it officially launched on Wednesday. Let's start with a quick reminder of the old layout. Okay, as you'll remember, we had three different navigation areas. You had a navigation bar here, you had a navigation bar here, and some buttons here. We've streamlined all of that, made a more visual layout so important details stand out immediately. Here's the new version. At the top, you'll see guest details presented more visually, including nights, party size, pets, system tags, all right here so you can see it at a glance. If we move over to the right, here you'll see the booking ID and you'll see quick access buttons to tasks, inbox, and notes. Before, notes was kind of buried or it was at the bottom. Now it's right here and you see a little, notification that you actually do have notes in the booking that you might need to look at. So that's really exciting. The main menu bar remains very familiar, but this old row of action buttons has been consolidated into a modern action menu with edit, email, copy to a new booking or quote, cancel, and delete all right over here. So this is now your new change move. If you needed to edit, the check-in time, you would do so here. In the center, booking deal details are clearer and more visual. Property information is prominent right here, and the channel source is now very obvious. In the old one, it was just a little bit of text, but now you actually see a logo and the source of the booking and how it came in. Was it API? Did you manually bring it in? How did that come in? If you're using Resi, we have our guest sentiment analysis right here. So you can see, are they excited about something? In this case, is it negative? Is there a problem? And the problem, I guess, is that they had a light bulb out, right? So we need to fix that. So really awesome that it brings it right to your attention right there. Financials are centralized in one clean section. You can see payment status, whether security deposits been taken, balances due, all here in the central region. If you do operate listings in different countries, you can also clearly now see, is this in US dollars, is it in Mexican pesos, what currency is driving this booking. Guest information's all over here. So, if I want to edit that, I could come right here to this menu to edit, but I can see everything I need to see about my guest right here. Now the biggest upgrade, the latest guest message appears right on the overview page. You can immediately see what they said and jump straight in the conversation or draft a new message. So here I can go back to the existing conversation, or if I wanted to draft a new SMS, I could click this and it would take me right into the inbox. Tasks are also visible here, whether created manually or by Resi. You can open and edit them directly right here without having to go through a bunch of other menus. Finally, recent activity is now displayed on the page. No more jumping, into separate screens in the inbox to see what your, last actions were. You can see that right here. So that's the new booking overview. Cleaner, more visual, and designed to surface what matters to you so you can work faster and more confidently. Thanks for taking a few minutes to look this over with me. One parting note, as with most of our new features, this is a work in progress. There are additional improvements already designed and ready for the next phase. Version 2 is complete from a design standpoint, and it's going to be moving into tasking development within the next couple of weeks. So what you're seeing today is just the beginning. If you have additional feedback, we absolutely welcome it. Head over to the forums and let us know. Thanks for taking a look, and we can't wait for you to start using the new booking overview page. Take care.